In the name of Allah. In the name of Allah, the most gracious, the most merciful. Peace and blessing be upon you all, respected teacher, dear classmates, and honorable guests. Today, I stand before you on this beautiful occasion. On a beautiful occasion, legally away children, which is Children's Day. I want to send a message to every child: never stop playing, dreaming, playing, and laughing, and self-confidence, because the world needs your smile, your creativity, and your beautiful voice. You come back to them. I extend my deepest thanks, appreciation, and praise to our dear Obache and esteemed mentor, the diligent leader of this blessed and beautiful school. Best person of Fatima, I ask Allah to grant you long life with health, blessing, and blessings, and to reward you in this health and to admit you to paradise without reckoning. I extend my deepest prayer to our teachers who plant knowledge into our minds, and to our parents who bring us love and care. Finally, happy Children's Day to everyone. May every year bring all the children of this world goodness and happiness. Peace and blessing be upon you all. Amen.